So Juliet's chilling, eating dirt. Quiet, I'm videotaping. Juliet, come here. Juju, Juliet, sit. Ugh. Juliet. Romeo, I'm trying to get Juliet. Juju, sit, good girl. Juju, speak. Are you trying to make me look stupid? Thanks. Snobby. She's gonna dig another hole so she can eat dirt.
Oh, this is when I wish we had a gun.
I'm trying to make a video and you're talking about wishing you had a gun.